This is Chemical Burn coming to you with a fireworks demo of Neutron Splitter, a 12-shot 200-gram cake by Shelton's Fireworks, Mississippi Gambler brand. The performance description reads, "This item shoots 12 shots of red and green dividing comets that resemble splitting atoms." So these breaks are some nice willow breaks with strobe effects attached. This demo is a partial fail. When I was lighting it off, the cake blew up and some of the shots ended up on the ground. There's nothing particularly wrong with this cake, I just didn't brace it properly with rocks or bricks. I would definitely buy this cake again. Stay tuned to the end of this video where you can see the drone angle shot of this exploding cake.